Moen offers a variety of showerheads with different styles and functionality. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a wall-mount showerhead. A rain shower showerhead is installed the same way. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, make sure the shower is off. Gather the right tools for the job. Refer to your product's instructions for tools needed. Most installations call for an adjustable wrench, adjustable pliers, or thread seal tape. Step 2. Remove the existing showerhead. Hold on to the shower arm and use an adjustable wrench or pliers to rotate the showerhead counterclockwise. Then remove any thread seal tape and residue. The last step is to attach your new showerhead to the shower arm. Some showerheads require thread seal tape. If it's needed, wrap the tape clockwise around the threads of the shower arm. Refer to your product's installation instructions to determine if it's necessary for your installation. If thread seal tape isn't needed, simply hold the shower arm and hand tighten the showerhead onto it. Be careful not to over-tighten. If your showerhead has flats on the shower ball, hand tighten and use an adjustable wrench to secure it in place. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing a wall mount or rain shower showerhead is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.